Start with why. What's your why? I'm sure you've heard this question once or twice already. And we try to uncover what our why is, personally and in business. The problem is that is not where you start. That is wrong information. You see, you don't start with why, you start with who. Who are you? What are your core values? What's your personal vision? What are your priorities? If you don't know who you are, then how can you then determine what your why is? You need to align your who with your why. Because if you create your why first without uncovering your who, well, the why can then be very disconnected from who you are and what your stand is for you, for your family, for your company, and for the world. So don't start with why. Start with who. Who are you?